Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, this beautiful Huawei MatePad Paper device, and I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. So, firstly, you need to know, never use metal objects to clean the connector because it may damage your USB port. Okay, so as you can see, there is some my charging port, and now we are going to try to clear it using household items. So the best tool to clean the connector is just a simple old toothbrush. To clean USB port using toothbrush, just insert the one part of the brush to the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.